In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can create a purchase order in D365, then following process of product registration, product receipt, and invoicing. So let's get started. So this is the dashboard, and we are going to the modules, procurement and sourcing module. Then we will have all purchase orders. Okay, so we have all purchase orders form here, and the same form we can access from payables, accounts payable, then all purchase order. So both way it is right. So you will be if there's permission sets, then you will be able to get it from the procurement sourcing, because accounts payable is related to finance. So let's go to a new purchase order, click on the new from the action button, and choose your vendor. So I have a couple of vendors already created, so I'm selecting one vendor from that. Then I'm checking, okay, everything is fine, my warehouse site and invoice account is there, purchase order number is generated, and the currency is in AD, so everything is fine. Now I'm going to press OK. So the form will open, and you will have purchase order headers and purchase order lines here. So let's add some lines. So I'm going to select one item. Okay, one item I have added. So assuming that we are creating a purchase order for some item, and let's test it. So I have created two item with purchase order. Then I'm going to purchase tab and confirm it. Okay, there are a lot of information available in the action pane, like you can check the total of the purchase order. Right now it's 200, and there are, like, there is charges that will come in next stage, but there are a lot of options are available. And if you want to print the purchase order, you can go here. After confirmation, there is a purchase order confirmation button here, then it will come the print from here. So you will get the copy of the purchase order. If you want to send to the supplier, you can access it from here. Now it's generating the purchase order. I think it's getting taking time. Yeah, it's generated. So this is the purchase order. All right, so let's go to the registration process. So we can register either two way. The manual registration is available, and also there is mobile devices, you can use it for registration. In warehouse management system is enabled, then you can do that one. So in update line, you can go to the registration process here, or you can go to receive tab and product received. From this form itself, we can do the product registration. So it's called ordered quantity, and then the lines will appear, then you can register from here as well. So either way it's fine. So I'm going to register the product right now from here. So the receipt status is still ordered, so we need to register. So click on the add registration line here. Then you have to provide the batch number. So there are batch number available, but still what we're gonna do is creating a new batch. Then I'm going to select the expiry date for that one. Okay, so then I saved it, go back, and I'm going to select that. Alright, then I'll confirm the registration. Okay, now it's showing there is an error. Inventory dimension location must be specified. Okay, fine. So we have to specify the location. Okay, now the location has been specified and I'm going to confirm it. So the registration receipt status has been changed to registered. So this is done. We'll go to another product, then click on the second line and go to update line, registration, add registration line here, same process. So we have to create a batch for this product. So I'm going to give a batch name and I'm going to select one batch number, expiry date, then save it. Okay, this is done. So I'm going to select that one and the location is a bulk. Okay, then I'm confirm registered, done. So the registration process has been done. Now the product receipt. So we have to give a product receipt number here, something from the supplier invoice or something. So you can keep that one for the reconcile purpose. So then I'm going to press OK. So now the product receipt is in happened right now. Let's see. Done. So our product receipt is done. So in our case there are some kind of customization is done, so we can print the product price labels from here. So you can go here and select the price group and you can select the printer, then print, then it will print all the lines. Or if you want to print it by line, then you can go to the lines and select any of the product. And from here you can see that we have created this batch number. It is there already, so you can select the price group and you can just print the product label from here. So if you go to check this one, the batch number already selected there. All right, then the next step is, now you can see that the product purchase order we created right now is confirmed and received. So the next step is to, once you receive the product receipt, then invoicing. So go to invoice tab from here, then go to invoice. So this is a part of finance department. So once you receive it, then the finance department will invoice the purchase order. So it is there now. You can see the totals here. Okay, total is fine now. So you can also validate by match product receipt. Then everything is fine now. So you can select the invoice date and there is an identification number. You can put the identification, then you can just post it. Done. So let's go to the invoice. So the journal is generated now. The invoice has been posted. So if you want to print the invoice, you can do it from here. All right, we just printed that one from here. You can print it from here. So that's it. Thank you.